Welcome back to Modern Homes and Gardens. There is something truly captivating about stepping into a space that instantly changes the way you feel. The most remarkable environments are not defined by size alone, nor by expensive materials or impressive finishes. Their real power lies in the experience they create. Great design goes beyond what we see. It engages our senses, influences our mood, and transforms ordinary moments into something memorable. Modern luxury is evolving in exciting ways. Today, homeowners and designers are placing greater value on comfort, wellness, and personal experience. Spaces are no longer created simply to look beautiful. They are carefully crafted to feel beautiful as well. Every detail is considered, from the way natural light moves through a room to the subtle sounds, textures, and atmosphere that surround us throughout the day. As innovation continues to shape contemporary living, homes are becoming more intelligent, more adaptive, and more connected to the needs of the people who inhabit them. Advanced technologies blend seamlessly with timeless design principles, creating environments that offer both sophistication and ease. The result is a new standard of living where convenience and elegance exist in perfect harmony. Luxury today is also about personalization. People want spaces that reflect their lifestyles, aspirations, and individual tastes. Designers are responding by creating highly customized experiences that feel unique and meaningful. Whether through carefully selected materials, immersive features, or thoughtfully integrated technology, every element works together to tell a story and create a sense of belonging. At the same time, wellness has become a central focus of modern architecture and interior design. Homeowners increasingly seek environments that support relaxation, balance, and peace of mind. Spaces are being designed to encourage moments of calm and rejuvenation, helping people disconnect from daily pressures and reconnect with what matters most. This emphasis on well-being is reshaping the future of residential design in profound ways. Another defining characteristic of contemporary luxury is the seamless connection between functionality and beauty. The most successful designs are those that make everyday life feel effortless while maintaining a strong visual presence. Hidden innovations, refined craftsmanship, and carefully planned layouts contribute to experiences that feel both practical and extraordinary. As expectations continue to rise, designers and architects are pushing creative boundaries, exploring new materials, technologies, and concepts that redefine what is possible. These innovations are transforming homes into immersive environments where every detail contributes to a greater sense of comfort, elegance, and inspiration. The future of luxury living is not just about owning beautiful spaces. It is about creating experiences that enrich daily life, elevate ordinary routines, and provide lasting value. It is about designing environments that inspire us every day while offering the comfort and sophistication we desire. Thank you for joining us on Modern Homes and Gardens. If you enjoy exploring the latest trends in luxury architecture, innovative interiors, and extraordinary home design, be sure to stay connected for more inspiring journeys into the world of exceptional living. Until next time, thank you for watching and being part of the Modern Homes and Gardens community.